Welcome back to UTech Exam Prep. And for today's video, we're going to be doing this question right here. So take a minute, pause the video here, and see if you can do it yourselves. Okay, so hopefully by now you've at least read the question. So the main thing that I want you to remember here is that this deployment running on-premise requires Microsoft Windows shared file storage. So now knowing that, let's look at our options here. Option A configures Amazon Elastic file storage and sets the Active Directory domain for authentication. Now the problem with that is EFS is a network file system service, which can only be used by Linux and Unix operating systems, not Windows. Therefore, A is not going to work. For option B, we are creating an SMB file share on an AWS file gateway, storage gateway, file gateway in two separate availability zones. Now, B would be a good answer if not for the fact that it is very complicated. It is very complicated to get everything in B set up. So before we choose B, we have to look and see if there are better options. Option C creates an Amazon S3 bucket. Now, this should already be a red flag to you because S3 buckets cannot be directly mounted on Windows. So this is a big problem and will create a lot of operational overhead. So C is not great. Option D creates an Amazon FSx for Windows file server file system on AWS and sets the Active Directory domain for authentication. Now this is great because FSx for Windows is an AWS file share solution for Windows. It supports SMB and Active Directory for authentication and authorization. So D follows the question completely. So it is the correct answer, and it is less operationally taxing than B. Therefore, D is the correct answer. Thank you for watching, and subscribe for more.